Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Welcome to the science class for the grade 7. In our previous session, we started lesson nutrition in animals. In this lesson, you have learned about the human digestive system. Okay, so in today's session, we are going to learn digestion in grass-eating animals and digestion in amoeba. So let's start the session with the digestion in grass-eating animals. So students, have you ever observed cows, buffaloes and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating? Actually, they quickly swallow the grass which they eat and store it in a part of the stomach called rumen. It's a bag-like, sac-like structure, rumen. Here, the food gets partially digested and is called cud. But later the cud returns to the mouth in a small lumps and the animal chews it. This process of chewing again is called rumination, and these animals are called ruminants. Okay, these animals are called ruminants, these grass eating animals. The grass is rich in cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate actually. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest this cellulose carbohydrate. Okay, as you have studied in human digestive system that in the human body, glucose, carbohydrate absorbs in the form of starch and sugar. Okay, so here in ruminants, carbohydrate will be in the form of cellulose. Ruminants have a large sac-like structure called rumen, as you can see here. After rumination, food is swallowed again and goes to the stomach. Here in the stomach, food gets digested and it goes to small intestine. In the small intestine, absorption takes place of the nutrients and it goes to the cecum. In the cecum, cellulose is digested by bacteria. So here cellulose is completely digested in the part cecum in the digestive system of grass eating animals. So this is how the food gets digested in the grass eating animals. Okay students. So far you have learned about animals which possess the digestive system, but there are many small organisms which do not have a mouth and a digestive system. So here we are going to learn another interesting way of food intake, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus and many small bubble-like vacuoles. Okay, these vacuoles are present in its cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for the movement and capture of food. So in amoeba you can see amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. When it senses food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and engulfs it. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Okay, digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. So students, in the digestion in humans, in digestion in grass-eating animals, and digestion in amoeba, you might have observed the basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in all these organisms. Okay, so I hope you understood clearly. In the next chapters, we will learn about the transport of food absorbed by the intestine to the various parts of the body. Till then, take care. Goodbye.